everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1955 Chevrolet 210. Love the color combination, guys. This color just kills me. Neptune green metallic. On with Shoreline beige on the top. Love the interior. It's my favorite, man. It's got all brand new two-tone Del Rey interior that matches the car. Nice car, man. This car, it's an older restoration. Don't know the exact. I'm going to figure, you know, my professional opinion is probably 10 to 12 years old on it. We do know that there's 7,300 miles on the resto, and it was a complete frame off. All new body bushings. They've had the frame completely off this car. Great car. Again, older resto, so there are some stone pecks and things like that that you can pick at. But I'll tell you one thing, you won't find a nicer running and driving old Chevy. This thing hits the road excellent. I've driven it. Jordan's driven it. Matter of fact, we took it down to get exhaust on it. I didn't like the exhaust the guy had on it, so it's got all brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. But just killer car, man. I love the color combination. It's got a great stance, and like I say, if you're looking for something to turn the key and drive, I wouldn't be afraid to drive this old car anywhere. If I start shaking and shivering, guys, I apologize. It's 5 degrees right now. Chrome and stainless are really nice. Like I say, as you walk around, you're gonna see some touch-up marks on this car. They definitely drove it. Like I say, there's little stone packs that have been touched up on it. But man, it's a nice car. Killer car. 4-speed, air. It's got a 350 crate engine in it, so it's got a great, you know, drivable package in it. We know the car came out of Arizona. But my buddy down in Tennessee is the one who actually found this car. It was down in Tennessee, but when it was originally done, it was actually in Arizona. Chrome and stainless is nice. A couple things. It's got a brand new electric wiper motor in it. We can't get them to come on, so we'll check that. I know it's got a shaded glass up front, but I believe you can kind of see the green tint. I believe it's got shaded glass all the way around it. We've just been so busy, guys. I know guys, you know, they send emails, why would you advertise a car when stuff doesn't work? Listen, man, I'm a realist. I'm a car guy. You know, these are old cars. Stuff isn't going to work. Not everything functions properly. They all leak. You know what I mean? So I try to get the cars advertised as fast as we can, because people get upset when they get sold before they can see the videos and make a decision on a car. But like I say, the wipers and the radio aren't working, and but I will have Steve check that. He's just been busy prepping stuff that's leaving. You can see just little touch-up marks. Again, I'm not trying to pick it to death, but we send these cars all over the world, man, and I want you to know what you're getting. Again, little touch-up mark. Same thing. That's a pretty car, though. I love this color combination. I'm glad we finally got some sunshine. It is absolutely wicked cold, but the roads are clear, so we'll be able to run this thing down the road, and a bunch of new stuff coming in, guys. I mean, make sure you're watching that website. Make sure you're watching out for our YouTube videos. Car's nice and straight, I'll tell you that. Coys C5 wheels. I like this car a lot. I love the color. It's so different. That does have front disc brakes. It's got Billstein adjustable shocks on the front. Dual chrome mirrors. This is a GM 350 crate engine. You can see it's got the center bolt valve covers, GM aluminum intake. It's got a Carter ABF 4-barrel in it. They put all aluminum pulleys, vintage AC, air blows cold, heat works, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, HEI distributor, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Really nice, big. I believe this is what they call a desert air. Big aluminum radiator in it with dual electric fans. You see, it's got brand new electric wiper motors, so I'm figuring Steve can make that work, but for some reason they're not coming on. A lot of times he finds he just gets in there and messes with stuff because, you know, people don't drive these things in the rain. He fiddles with them and they come on. Well, I really dig this color on this car. Pretty color combination and just a nice, again, couple little touch-up marks. Glass is really nice. It fits up. All the windows roll up and down real good. New door rubbers. Looks like they popped out of there a little bit. We'll snap those back in. I love, love, love this interior, man. This is my favorite interior. I love this Del Rey interior on a Tri-5 Chevy. That's a 59 Impala steering wheel. It's got all Daytona carpeting in it. I love the billet sill plates. Gorgeous interior. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, 7314 on the odometer now. Again, it's got an audio sounds radio, but I couldn't get it to come on, although I'm not the best with radios. Hurst shifter. Again, I just put it's car's all dynamated. It has again brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is it's a 10 bolt. They've swapped out the rear. It's got a 10 bolt GM rear end in it with a 373 posi unit. Is it cold, boys? Spare in here. Try to get this without getting this to break. It's so cold. My hands don't want to work. You can see it's all body color in the trunk. I'll try to put that away so I don't can shut the trunk. So cold. Nothing wants to bend or move. That is a nice old Chevy right there. Clean underneath. Like I say, they've had the frame off. The frame was all powder coated. It's got aluminum fuel tank underneath it. Leaf spring rear suspension. Killer interior, man. I love that. Seats are super nice. They've definitely redone all those. Takes your breath away when you come out here, doesn't it? You can see it's got all that. They did a really nice, all that Daytona carpeting. Dash is painted nice. That steering wheel's beautiful. Great car. Again, heat and air work. Go ahead and fire it up. Parking brake works, guys. You can hear it's got that little mini torque starter. Just runs and drives outstanding. Good air. I'm surprised the air came on, to be honest with you. It's so cold out here. Although we've had it sit in the building a little bit. Hear the dual electric fans working. I believe there's a switch underneath the dash for those, but we just leave them on. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works. There's oil pressure gauge. You can see it's holding great oil pressure. Ooh. LED taillights. Well, I like this car. I couldn't get it to come on. Lower motor all works, heat works, yeah. Oh, you know what?
I didn't realize it's got a temperature gauge over here too.
Or no, yeah, that is a temperature gauge. Boy, doors open and close real nice. No on the wipers, we'll check them. I can't guarantee you we can make them work. Horn works too. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of inventory. Oh, he's rolling out. Have a great day, guys.